Hello, good evening viewers. Today I am going to teach pair of straight lines. One problem LAQ I am going to explain. This pair of straight lines. So for first year students series, especially pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines that weightage is 14 marks actually. Two 7 marks questions will come. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. And 2 LAQs, long answers questions, 2 will get. 2 LAQs will come in this particular topic. Okay. So this is the very important point. So in that one problem may be homogenizing will come that, but one problem will come at theorems. That too, one important problem I am going to explain to you. That's pakka question. Everybody, this is the first year exam next month only, probably. So April 21st like that. So we should prepare for this pair of straight lines of question. 7 marks question is very important. I am going to explain area of the triangle. The question is area of the triangle formula. Show that. They will ask the question is like this. Show that the area of the triangle formed by the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 and lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is n square root h square minus ab by am square minus 2hlm plus bl square units, right? So we have to show the area of the triangle formed by this pair of lines with the line. So is this we are going to find out. So what? Actually, pair of lines passing through the origin means this ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is which is passing through the origin. This is combination of two lines. That will one line is there. I will explain you. You just note down this question. I will rub this question and do the problem. Just go through that important thing. Area of the triangle. Solution I am going to explain you. 7 marks question is a so many times it will come. Came in exam. Actually now this so much size are there in your question paper pattern. So the very important problem is this. So plus x minus x plus y minus y, this is the coordinate axis. Whatever the pair of lines, combination of the two lines, this is. What is that combination passing through the origin? 0, 0. What are these lines? One is L1x plus M1y is equal to 0, one equation. And one more second line is L2x plus M2y is equal to 0. This is the second equation. So we have to find out a of x1 y1, this is the pointer, and this is b of x2 y2. This is passes through the origin. This AB is the line. What is that line? Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is the third line. Right? Whatever this lines, combination of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Let ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. This is the line given. This is equal to multiplication of these two because this is passing through the origin and this will be the multiple of two lines, combination of two lines. This is the individual pair means two lines combination. And oka rendu lines yoka combination pair antaru. Ee rendu lines whatever the individual lines are there, L1x plus M1y into L2x plus M2y. Right? ఈ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేసి కంపేర్ చేస్తే విల్ గెట్ ద వాల్యూస్ ఆఫ్ L1 L2 M1 M2 and L1 M2 plus L2 M1 will come. So before that what we are doing, 0 0 నుంచి OAB area of the triangle మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. We have to find out A of x1 y1 B of x2 y2 కనుక్కుంటే చాలు. ఆ తర్వాత ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేస్తే మనకు వచ్చేస్తుంది. బట్ ఫస్ట్ A of x1 y1 ఒకటి కనుక్కుంటే చాలు, B of x2 y2 ఆటోమేటిక్గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ బిఫోర్ దాట్ here ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. That is equal to, we can multiply these two, L1 L2 x square. First multiply this with first term multiply with second term, L1 m2 xy plus L2 second term multiply with first and second term multiply with second. So that L2 m1 xy plus m1 m2 y square. In that we should compare the terms, like terms. So every time you need not to multiply and compare the terms. Directly we can write also, no problem em ledu. Ala raskuna L1 L2 x square plus we take common xy common, here L1 m2 plus L2 m1 plus m1 m2 y square. That's it. Appudu compare the terms. Compare the terms and raste. What are the terms? X square terms and xy L1 L2 is equal to A and m1 m2 is equal to B. Because y square term is B, x square term is A, and L1 m2 plus L2 m1 is 2h. L1 m2 plus L2 m1 value is 2h. So that whatever the terms we are comparing, this is the L1 m2 plus m1 m2. B, L1 m2 plus L2 m1 is equal to 2h. So ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to, combination of these two lines will get L1 L2 x square. This after comparing the two terms, L1 L2 A, m1 m2 is B, this is L1 m2 plus L2 m1 is 2h. So this, instead of multiplying all those, you directly we can write L1 L2 is equal to m1 m2. That's it. It's also no problem. By understanding sake I told this, right? That's it. So first we are going to solve 1 and 3, right? So you just remember it. What are the values? L1 L2 is equal to A, m1 m2 is equal to B, L1 m2 plus L2 m1 is equal to 2h. Like here you take L1 L2 is equal to A, m1 m2 is equal to, I am writing here, I rub this, L1 m2 plus L2 m1 is equal to 2h. This is using, actually you have to use this. So I will rub this and figure matram undali compulsory, endukante meeku ardham kavatam kosam. First we have to find out the actually x1 y1, how to solve 1 and 3. Solve 1 and 3. See how to solve this ante, first we take L1x plus m1y is equal to 0 and next Lx1. See, because this passes through x1 y1, we can take L1 x1 plus m1 y1 is equal to, because we got find out x1 y1 values. So this also same passes through A of x1 y1, like Lx1 plus my1 plus n is equal to 0. This is the third equation. So one methodology is there in this, right? So take the middle coefficient of y1 you take. How? First this is the one more process. Generally elimination is there, but it is the procedure to easy way to do like this problems. M1m, coefficient of y1 terms you take m1m, and also here constant is there 0 n, and coming to the first one, coefficient of x1 you take L1, and here coefficient of x1 you take L, and also coming to the middle terms ku malli ready. First time chestarante middle term y1 coefficient తీసుకోండి, m1 m1 తీసుకోండి, మళ్ళీ కాన్స్టెంట్ తీసుకోండి, 0 n అని తీసుకోండి, తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మొదటికి రండి, కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x1 తీసుకోండి L1 L, తర్వాత మిడిల్ టర్మ్ తీసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ x1 అని రాసుకోండి, ఇక్కడ y1 అని రాసుకోండి, ఇక్కడ 1 అని రాయండి. ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు మల్టిప్లై. ఫస్ట్ ఇది ఇంటూ ఇది m1n మైనస్ 0 ఇంటూ m1 తీసుకోవాలి. x1 బై జస్ట్ మల్టిప్లై m1n అంటే దిస్ ఇంటూ దిస్ m1 ఇంటూ n మైనస్ 0 ఇంటూ m 0 ఓన్లీ. నెక్స్ట్ y1 బై 0 ఇంటూ l మైనస్ nl1 అంటే ఇది ఇంటూ ఇది చేయాలి. 0 మైనస్ nl1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు here 1 by L1m minus LM1. L1m minus ఈ క్రాస్లో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి L1m minus Lm1, రైట్. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ద వాల్యూస్ x1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇది కాబట్టి m1n బై L1m minus Lm1 అండ్ y1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇది బై మైనస్ NL1 బై L1m minus Lm1. So this is x1 y1 and next whatever the x2 y2 same. If it all m1 is there, m2 you take, x2 means by L2m minus Lm2, y2 means minus NL2 by L2m minus Lm2. So now you can apply the OAB. If origin is given, one formula is there. I will rub this question here. You can take the figure and here I am going to explain you one thing. Just continuation here, same question only. Here x1 y1, you know that we can take x2 is if m1n by m2n by L2m minus Lm2, y2 is equal to minus NL2 by L2m minus Lm2. So area of the triangle if origin is given. Origin is given. Origin is not given ante half mod x1 y2 adi. Ikkada entante origin is given ante we can find out half mod x1 y2 minus x2 y1 is the formula. Half mod x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Half mod, excuse me. This is the formula. Here important, area of the triangle is equal to half mod x1 is what? x1 y2. x1 is m1n by L1m minus Lm1. x1 y2 minus x2 y1. x1 y2 is minus NL2 by L2m minus Lm2. x1 y2 minus x2 y1. What is x2? This is m2 n by L2m minus Lm2. L2m minus Lm2. x2 y1. y1 ante minus NL1 by L1m minus Lm1. This is the problem. Half mod x1 y2 minus m1n by this L1m minus Lm1 x2 1. y2 means this minus x2 y1. x2 is what actually this by x2 y1 ante minus Ln1 by L1m minus Lm1. So in this we have to multiply 1 by 2 into, if denominator is same, because L1m minus Lm1 into L2m minus Lm2, right? This is also L1m minus. If denominator is same, you can add the numerator terms. Already you know 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 1 plus 3 by 2. Like that L1m minus Lm1 into L2m minus Lm2. This denominator is as it is. We can add the numerator, means we can take here what actually minus n square L2m1 minus into minus plus n square L1m2. This here denominator is same, minus into minus plus n square L1m2. Here minus n square L2m1. If you take n square common, we will get n square by 2 into this L1. First you take the positive and then negative. L1m2 minus L2m1, right? By denominator, just to multiply this. How to multiply this? L1 L2 m square minus L1 ఇది ఫస్ట్ మల్టిప్లై, ఫస్ట్ దాంతో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, ఫస్ట్ దాన్ని సెకండ్ దాంతో మల్టిప్లై. L1 mm2 minus here minus LL2 minus LL2 mm1 LL2 mm1 minus into minus plus L square m1 m2, right? So in numerator we can take this is A, this is B. one formula is there. What is the formula? A minus B is equal to root of A plus B whole square minus 4AB. This is formula. Right? Using this formula, you can apply A is this. Right? N square by 2 into root of A minus B can write A plus B whole square. A plus B ante L1 M2 plus L2 M1 whole square minus 4 L1 L2 M1 M2 under root A plus B whole square minus 4AB. A is this, B is this, minus 4AB, 4 L1 L2 M1 M2, 4 L1 M2, L1 M2 you can write 4AB, L1 M2 and L2 M1, 4AB you can write, right? By denominator we can take this L1 L2, we can write AM square minus both of them LM common, take LM. After taking LM, L1 M2 plus L2 M1 is there plus BL square. So that here, what is L1 M2 already given? Compare with AX square plus 2HXY plus BY square is equal to compare with L1x plus M1y into L2xy, we can compare, we will get L1 L2A, M1 M2B, L1 M2 plus L2 M1 is 2H. So now we are going to take in the place of L1 M2 plus L2 M1, we should take 2H. 2H whole square, 2H whole square minus L1 M2, 4 L1 L2 is A, M1 M2 is B. So 4AB by here AM square minus 2HLM. This L1 M2 plus L2 M1 is 2HLM plus BL square. So 4H square minus 4AB, we can take common 4H square, 4 common, N square by 2 into mod root of 4 common H square minus AB by AM square minus 2HLM plus BL square. 4 take outside ante 2 vastundi. N square by 2 into 2 root H square minus AB by 2 cancel by AM square minus 2HLM plus BL square. So that N square root H square minus AB by, the problem is N square, area of the triangle N square root H square minus AB by AM square minus 2HLM plus BL square. This is the formula for finding area of the triangle. Just simply O of 0, the main concept is O of 0, 0, A of x1, y1, B of x2, y2. First we should solve L1x plus M1y first line with second. So we will get some value x1, y1. Automatically if you know x1, y1, automatically we will get x2, y2. So area of the triangle if origin is given means simple of mod x1, y2 minus x2, y1. In that we have to substitute. Directly we will get like this. 4 square root of this 2 cancel, square root H square by AM square minus 2HLM plus BL square we got.